16-15, quality volleyball by two very proud institutions. And
nice.
collegiate rivals. Nahuli yung reaction ni Vargas dun sa block.
Eulalio had to contend with a double block. And that ball just went back at FEU. Mataas pero hindi nabigyan ng coverage ng back row players ng FEU.
Giselle Bagang, cross court again slow
yes.
on the reaction. So this lead goes up to 3 again. Sorry.
That's right. That's the problem right now for FEU. The coverage, because it's really not, the balls that are coming back at them from the block, hindi naman masyadong patulis pa baba eh. In fact, umaangat pa nga.
May konting panahon pa.
That's right.
Bago bumagsak ang bola. Over-received. Oh, but overreaching naman sa kabila. So it negates the reception error of FEU and gives them a side out.
That's right. Credit that point to C, having the presence of mind to steal and try to set that ball. Kasi basta na-set mo yun na tumama sa kamay ng blocker, the referee will always call it for your team, no? Hindi yung kung binabayaan niya lang, siguradong maitutulak ni Hirotsuhi.
Caballero struggled the last couple of times. This time she was underneath that ball to sail that ball out. So now, 17 serving 18. Naghahabol na naman ang FEU. Good crowd here at the arena appreciating really good volleyball. As the race for the Final Four heats up. And a point for FEU. Coach Mamon is looking for check ball.
Coach Mamon not calling a timeout. We're tied at 18.
Service, Banyao.
Lastimosa. Great dig by Rojas. Dagang. Coach Ness wants to get into that court. As they get the point off the line. Parang gusto niya buhatin yung player niya habang umaatake, no? Lamang naman ang FEU dito. Let's listen in and eavesdrop.
Outside palo neto, not over palo neto, easy ball. Gumalaw kayo. Hindi pwede first set laging ganyan ang performance, no? Ha? One good receive, play mo. Huwag kang maging tentative sa kilos mo. Meron tayong set play, sundin mo lang. Ha? Kaya, itin mo to. Kaya
Of course, he's referring to their first set woes, which also goes back to that Ateneo game where they were so lackluster.
Yeah.
2:18 is the score here in set
And
number 1.
just what Coach Oji has said, you can't be indecisive. You know, whenever you're... And you can't let it be a... parang makagawian nyo na every first set. You just, you know, take it easy and maghahabol na lang kayo. Hindi pwedeng ganun.
Hindi lagi pwedeng maghabol, ano? Di ba kulangan? Goes to Caballero. Down the line. Taken by Baniel. Back row attack by Rojas. Hinabol ni Di Makulangan. Gets it up. Chance here for FEU, but they misreceive it. So now it is UST's turn. Caballero sends it over. Great action here at the arena. Regalo. Hindi pa pala. Caballero. Bagang. Giselle C. Gets it back. Goes to the back row. Long rally here. And a chance again for FEU. Giselle C. chooses Dagang. And it's a check ball. What an exhausting rally. And that's only for 1 point.
Wow. That was the longest rally so far. And again, hitting it off the block, Lastimosa. Too late in that arm movement.
Parang walo yung naglalaro sa FEU dahil pati si Coach Shaq at si Coach Des dito. Very active. Underhand set to Lastimosa. Too low for the Cagayan de Oro native.
Attack error, Lastimosa.
And now she will move out for Reyes. Ingrid Reyes.
3 points up for the Lady Samurai.
Coach Ness is still at it.
Ngayon,
Calling out each and every play, each and every touch, in fact.
Correct. Oh. Ngayon naman, sila yung may 3 puntos na lamang. Eulalio keeps it alive. Oh, great anticipation by the former UST High School standout. Hirotsuji checking that one right in their face.
There you go. Masyadong mababa, sabi ni Coach Ness, and Chelsea acknowledges her fault.
For the Lady Tigers.
And this is now Ingrid Reyes.
Ooh!
Service ace.
Ang ganda nung bunot na yun ni Coach
Oo.
Joji.
Time out.
Let's listen to Coach Ness. They're still ahead by 1.
21, FAU 20.
Meron lang natin, di ba? So, ang baba, G, pag ganun, abot mong gano'n, nakaganong, kasi tinahatak mong pag gano'n ng set eh, pagka nagbibigay ka ng quick. Ha? Pwestuhan mo, tsaka may angat na gano'n, hindi pa atras. Naintindihan? So, sige, kailangan lang, rumisip muna tayo. Pag nagkalangan, tawag doon sa dalawa, pwede si Rose, pwede si May. Ha? So, tingnan mo yung dinidepensa mo ron, ha? Tsagayin mo ron. Yung drop ball ron, yung diagonal doon, ha? Sige.
Well, you're a setter, Ian. He was talking about kaya
Yeah.
mababa yung bigay niya.
That's right.
Yung form niya was wrong.
That's true. We talked about it in the past game that with Chelsea sometimes when she gives out those big quick plays or those quick plays, patra siya when she's like fading away.
Mm.
So, yung bola talagang mahihirapan o mga so kailangan nasa pwesto siya and the movement should be going forward and not the other way around para maiangat mo yung bola.
Free ball for UST, Ian. They're behind by 1. They open up to Panatikla, who's back. Reaction by Ross was a little slow again.
That's right.
Parang hinintay niyang bumaba yung
That's right.
bola, no?
And what she did was just to reach out with one hand.
Instead of stepping forward.
That's true, that's true. She just fell on the ground, moving forward. Ayun,
Oy!
pwede sanang humakbak kahit dalawa pa sana.
Pwede pa.
21 all. Service. Reyes.
Former CSA product, Ingrid Reyes, has been serving. Cross-court attack. We are tied at 21. Panatikla gets the lead back. Down
Wow.
3, now up by 1.
Ito ang roller coaster na first set.
Amazing action. Don't say we didn't warn you. What a season it has been. Up! Was it a check? No? Suerte. Suerte. Si Rojas doon. She was out of position. Hinabol na nga ng forearm eh.
Yun ang tinatawag na right mistake.
Tayo kasi puro mistake lang tayo.
Tayo mistake na wrong pa. Wrong mistake. Yun right mistake.
22 all here at FEU. First set pa lamang po ito dito sa arena. Maru from way back. Giselle calling out Majorie. Oh, the lefty puts it away.
Nice change of pace from Majorie.
Nag-hesitate pa sa
That's
approach.
right, that's right. She was approaching too soon, but once she
Yun, oh,
saw the ball
Pombreno.
medyo mataas, nakasilip ng konti sa depensa ng USA and she was able to get that ball through the blockers.
Kaliwete pa naman, no? So,
mahirap basahin.
Eulalia serving. 23-22. Hirotsuji's check. Chance for FEU. They go back row to Vargas. Maradas there. Panatikla cross court. Yes! Oh, what an attack. The top spin gets that
Yes.
ball to drop. Look at
right.
this. Look at the spin on that ball.
And she was really facing that angle.
Oh, kita mo yung bagsak ng bola. Oh, what a beautiful cross court attack.
No complaints from Coach Ness. Sa harap niya bumagsak yung
Bumiti
ball.
nga eh. Chance for UST to take the lead again. Hirotsuji. Giselle goes to Rojas. Ooh! Sarado. And that sets up set point for UST in a pendulum swinging first set.
Maru Panatikla helping out on the center block.
Set point. Advantage.
Gets that point against Rojas.
Vallejo.
The crowd reacting. And a chance for UST. Panatikla. Offensive. Block, but it's still alive. Chance for FEU to tie. Pagang again. Kuhang-kuha. Underhand set. Panatikla. Puts it away! Barua. Panatikla gives UST the first set.
First set pa lang ba?
25-23.
Wow, the USC crowd up on their feet.
You know, this UST team is scary because they're peaking at the right time, Ian.
That's true. Good observation.
We'll be back with second set action here on Studio 23.